70% of India's population resides in rural India, and their contribution to India's GDP is around 50%. Yet, they remain largely overlooked by our news media. India's aspiration lies in cities, whereas its heart lies in its villages. While chasing aspirations, people change themselves to look and behave suiting a modern lifestyle. But in this race, India's soul got left behind somewhere back in villages. With Park opening up rural ratings, India's dominant number one news channel Aaj Tak underlined its thought leadership by bridging this gap through its show Aaj Tak का गांव कनेक्शन.
मैं नीलेश मिश्रा आप तक लाऊंगा भारत के तेजी से बदलते गांव की अद्भुत कहानियां. भारत के नंबर वन न्यूज चैनल आज तक के साथ एक नई शुरुआत, शहरों और गांवों की दूरी कम करने की, एक नया कनेक्शन बनाने की. आज तक का गांव कनेक्शन सोमवार से शुक्रवार.
This show aimed to inform everyone about the transformation underway in the hinterland. The brief was to conceptualize, plan, and execute a roadshow campaign to create brand awareness and resonance for the TV series Aaj Tak Ka Gaon Connection. So much of emotions come into play when a person gets to connect with his loved ones, especially if the gap is more than a year. We plan to take this powerful emotional consideration further by enabling our villages to connect to their sons and daughters via a live Skype calls. These live Skype calls were enabled by a moving canter and a giant screen. These doctors, engineers, chefs from the cities who had to leave their loved ones behind in their gaons now had the power to inspire entire villages. PTL Route served as a perfect platform to get up close with these village folks and replicate the experience that Aaj Tak Ka Gaon Connection intended via these live Skype calls.
वीडियो कॉलिंग के माध्यम से आप सभी लाइन यही है. अभी हम उनको कनेक्ट करते हैं वीडियो लाइन. क्या प्रकाश जी हम लोग कनेक्टेड हो चुके हैं. कैसे आओ. नमस्कार भैया भैया. गाँव यहाँ पर आज आपके लिए खड़ा हुआ है. आपके स्वागत के लिए खड़ा हुआ है. आपकी बातें वो जानना चाहेंगे कितनी मेहनत करके आप लोग यहाँ तक पहुँचे. मेरा परिवार के सपोर्ट से संभव नहीं था. मैंने जो कुछ भी किया इसलिए पूरे परिवार का, हमारे शहर का, हमारे गांव का पूरा सहयोग.
The challenge was to identify the right people scattered across various time zones in urban India and abroad and to successfully connect them to their villages. This activity saw excitement, anticipation and zeal from both ends. The live Skype chat drove earnest participation amongst village folks with cheers, jokes, queries and even tears on some joyous occasion. Desired villages saw multiple billboards at high congregate areas. Wall paintings painted entire villages with anticipation. All this was further augmented by our promoters who visited door to door informing about the place and time of a village Skype call. Leaflets were distributed in the activity area to get the database of audience as they had to fill their contact information in it. 220 small towns in UP, 122 small towns and villages in Maharashtra and 60 small villages and towns in Bihar were targeted. We covered a total of 402 towns and villages. Several canters were specifically kitted out with LED displays, hooked up to the computers with internet connections to facilitate this interaction. And all the work that went into this activity had the desired effect. This powerful idea of connecting the loved ones through Skype calls led to distribution of more than 1.5 lakh flyers promoting the show. Over 1200 plus unique town heroes got connected to their gaons, and more than 1.5 lakh consumers witnessed this interaction. As a result, overall Gaon Connection show viewership doubled during the campaign period. The show truly lived up to the channel's proposition, and with the addition of new viewer set, a consistent all India viewership base of over 100 million for over 11 successive weeks by Aaj Tak was not just groundbreaking but unseen, unheard and unmatched in the news space, further fortifying its leadership.